Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to clear Facebook activity history. So guys, activity log is a place where you can review and manage your Facebook activity. You can scroll through your content or you can filter your content by category to review specific things like post and posts you are tagged in, photos and videos, friend requests and your events. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to delete Facebook activity history. So let's get started. So guys, to delete Facebook activity history, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Facebook. Simply click on first link. Now after that you can see the account option at the top right corner of the page. So click on account option. Now here you have to simply click on your profile. So guys, here you can see your Facebook profile. So after that you can see three dots. So click on three dots. Now in this option you can see the option of activity log. So click on it. Now here you have to simply click on logged actions and other activities. So click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of search history. So click on search history. So guys, in my case I don't have any search history. So if in your case you have any search history, so here you can see the option of clear searches. So to clear that search, click on this option, clear searches. So your activity history will be deleted. So after that you can see many options. Videos you have watched, videos you have searched for. So from here you can delete that videos which you have watched. So from here you can delete the search of that videos. After that you can see many options, so you can explore this option by your own. So guys, here you can see we have delete Facebook activity history. So you can also delete Facebook activity history by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.